breaking news okuva mu ggwanga erya Syria, amawulire agava mu ggwanga erya Syria gatiisa. The news that is coming out of Syria, the new Syria, is scaring and very let me say emotional and very disturbing. The videos that are coming out of there, the video you see up there is a video of the minority groups in Syria. This is how they are treating all the minority groups in Syria. Those that are Christian, the Christian groups, they are witty. This is the way they are treating them. And those that were in the same religion, I hear same word. If you're not a non-Christian in Syria, this is how you're going to be treated. Today, I don't know why the mainstream media is not saying anything about it. Bobanga oli ova mu tribe buno tini mu ggwanga erya Syria naddala nga toli musiraamu onfuna bulungi. Yes, naddala nga ova mu ddiini y'emu oba mu tribe y'emu ne Bashar al-Assad bwe bati bwe babayisa babavuzanga embwa ne babakuba emiggo ne bamala ne babatta onfuna bulungi. Yes, so fa baakatta abantu 1,000 plus abantu 1,000 plus okuva mu buno bu minorities mu ggwanga erya Syria. So video nyingi bweziti ezitawaanya zitasobola kulaga wano. So there are very many disturbing videos coming out of Syria, same as this one. The news there, let us pray for these people in Syria, most especially the minority groups, the Alawiti. This is a video from Latakia. A lot of them have fled to the neighboring countries or to the Russian bases. The most of whom have also been killed. They say over 1,000 Syrian minorities have been killed. The mainstream media is very silent and very quiet about this. We don't know why they're not saying anything, because they're the ones who brought this guy into power and told us that he had repented, he's a new leader, he's a new born again, but now he has to turn back to his